right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're going to be doing some light reading, picking up from where we left off yesterday. So let's dive right in. So let's write a test to check if we can add a person correctly. We're going to say define test can add people function. Inside that function, first we're going to have our arrangement, which is going to be new person, our variable. We're going to set that equal to thickening. We're going to have our favorite number. We're going to set that equal to 31. And then we're going to have favorites contract. We're going to set that equal to deploy favorites function. Then for our act, we're going to say favorites contract dot add person. And for the variables, we're going to, or the parameters, we're going to add the new person and favorite number. And then for the assertion, we're going to say assert favorites contract dot list of people, index 0, letting them know we want to assert or access that first person. We're going to set that equal to new person, favorite number. Now notice we were able to clearly see the three stages of the test. This makes it easier to understand what the test is doing. Also notice that we were able to add a new person and their favorite number using the add person function, and then verify that they were added correctly using the list of people function. Now, the reason we were able to access the first person in this list is because we know that this is the first person we are adding in this list, so they won't be at index 0. Now, also note we are able to get both the name and favorite number as a tuple from the list of people function. Now, this is because the list of people function returns a struct that contains both the name and the favorite number. And we're going to leave it there for now. Tomorrow we're going to pick back up, so stay tuned for that. But of course, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.